Hello and welcome to Advent Poles number 7. Today we still have our 4 poles, but instead of being in one long line, they're in 2 shorter lines. And I'm just starting with the warm-up exercise like I did when the poles are in one long line, where I'm asking Elsa to move back and forth over the poles. Once I'd carried that out a couple of times, I moved on to the next stage of the exercise. Here I'm asking Elsa to cross each line of poles once, moving slightly right so that there is a little bit of lateral movement as well as forwards. And here she is from the other direction. So she's still crossing over the poles with the forelimb that's nearest to the poles first, and then the other limbs follow. And then I continue to ask for a slight little bit of lateral movement as we finish. Once I've completed that, I move on to the next stage of the exercise. So I've asked her to cross the first set of poles towards the left, and then I change my aid to ask her to cross the second set towards the right. So here she is towards the left. Again, the forelimb closest to the poles crossing first. And now I ask her to move towards the right, which I think she finds slightly harder than in the other direction. So once we've done that in walk, we progress each exercise to trot. So there's both poles, one after the other in the same direction. And here we go back again. Of course, to make this even, you'd need to switch the position of the poles around, so you could do it on the other end, on the other diagonal. And here we go, crossing both poles. So she's gone over one, and there she goes over the other in the opposite direction. Here she comes again to the left, and then back towards the right. So that was Advent Poles number 7. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you tomorrow.